What's up, YouTube? Intricate Explorer here today. I'm an adventure photographer, and today we're going to some hot springs. If you watched yesterday's vlog, we went extremely hard on a 14,000 foot mountain.
We're so close to the ridge line, guys. So close.
And we're gonna take it easy today. So we're at Cottonwood Hot Springs. That feels so good. Oh my god. Alright guys, so we're gonna do it differently for this vlog. The entire thing is gonna be on a GoPro, including the photos. Two reasons I'm doing this. One, because I want it to be a challenge. Two, it's raining and we're in hot springs, and I just got a new camera yesterday and I don't want to destroy it already. Alright guys, so before we start taking photos, you want to adjust your GoPro so that it's situated to be able to take the best photos possible. You're gonna change the photo format to RAW, and you're also going to put the color profile to flat because that's gonna boost those colors. If you have it on the GoPro color mode, it basically just oversaturates the photos. I'd say the best bet we have for an interesting photo right off the bat would be some kind of underwater photo, and that's one way you could stand out on a GoPro, is because you can't really do that on a normal camera unless you have like a $1,000 housing unit. So this is like a cheap way to get underwater photos. Alright guys, we're gonna switch pools. There's a few different options, and this one's pretty cool because it's got this like blue indigo tone and this like hanging, dripping canopy over the top. Alright guys, we're getting into the hottest one now. Wish us luck. Holy shit. That's hot. Oh my god. Alright guys, I think we're onto something here with photography. So we're putting the GoPro underwater, and then we're having our head stick above the water. And what this does is it creates this really weird distortion where your body looks good and clear under the water, but your head looks different. So it like makes this like abstract explosion of colors. All right, what's your favorite joke, Caleb?
What did the fish say whenever he ran into the wall?
What?
Damn.
All right, we're done with that. Too hot. Now we're gonna do the opposite and go do the cold pool. It's called a cold plunge. So the cold pool is still like 96 degrees, so it's still like just slightly below body temperature. So it actually still feels really good.
How can I breathe? You singing to me or to your subscribers?
I'm singing to the subscribers. Yeah, we're finally healed, guys. After like, how long have we been in here? Like 3 hours?
No.
2 hours?
Maybe like an hour and a half.
It's definitely been longer than an hour and a half. We're just like straight up prunes right now. Alright folks, thanks for relaxing with us today on this rendition of Intricate Explorer Adventure Vlogs. Make sure to hit the like, hit the subscribe, and check out the Patreon, and have an amazing night. I bid you farewell.